Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is Amanjot, and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on principles and practices of banking selection series. Okay. So before starting the session, let me know, am I audible to all of you, and the PPT is also visible. Are we good to go? So do let me know in the comment section, is everything okay? Are we good to go? Okay. So good evening, Sham. Good evening, Nagarjun. Good evening, Labia. Good evening, Dakshan. To all of you. Hello to all. So first, let me know, am I audible? Are we good to go? So today is the month end, and we know, like, not the month end, but yeah, that's the last week of our this particular month. And as we know, the first week of the month will always be special for all of you. The reason behind is that's a payday. So first of all, one information for all of you is that right now the payday sale is going on, and in this particular payday sale, you will all get 81% discount from the Adda 24/7 application. If you purchase from Adda 24/7 application, you will get 1% additional discount. And by using a code Y496, you will get all the JIB and CIB bank promotion exam at 81% off. So this is the offer right now going on that is related to the payday sale. So invest in yourself and get a promotion. That's what we are saying, and that's what because of which you all are here. Okay, so this is the payday, and 81% off is going on all the JIB, CIB, and also the bank promotion exams. Apart from that, your case study batch is going to start from 31st of October, from Monday itself. So this is the case study batch. English medium is going to start from 31st of October, and right now if you enroll in this particular batch, you will get 81% discount. Similarly, bilingual case study batch already started on 27th of October. So that has started already. To enroll in any of these batch, you can use the code Y496. Next, already the MCQ batch, previous year questions batch, and the case study batch going on since the 10th of October. To enroll in here, you can use the same code. And to do the practice of your principles and practice of banking, AFB, LRB, you can enroll in the test series so that you will be able to know how to give test in the main exam. Okay. So to enroll any of the test series, you can use a code Y496. So this is the whole information for all of you which I have to give you. One more important thing is revision batch is already started in the bilingual. So what is bilingual batches? The content will be in English, but the explanation will be bilingual. So if you are comfortable with the bilingual explanation, then you can go with the revision batch also. Okay, and let's start with the first question without wasting more time. First of all, first question is talking about introduction can be accepted for a new customer from first is saying an existing customer having satisfactory conduct of account for at least 6 months. Second, person like MPs or MLAs. As per KYC rules of RBI, introduction is not mandatory. So which of the following you think is correct? Like introduction can be accepted for a new customer from which of these following? A, B, C, or D? Apart from that, those candidates who are live in the session, do not forget to like the session, and also do share the session on your Telegram channels and WhatsApp group wherever you are linked to the persons who are preparing for the JAIIB November exam. Okay, so let me know which of the following will be correct. First is C. Okay, correct. So right answer will be C, that only C is correct, that as per RBI rules of RBI, as per KYC rules of RBI, introduction is not mandatory. Okay, because you are taking already KYC, so introduction is not mandatory. Right answer will be your C. Very good. So what type of collateral it is in which no, you don't have to transfer the ownership or possession? Is it a pledge? Is it a hypothecation? Is it a mortgage, or is it a loan? Which of the following will be correct? That the type of security, the type of charge you are creating in which possession and ownership both remains with the borrower. It will not transfer to the lender. It will not transfer to the creditor. It will remains with the borrower. So is it a pledge, hypothecation, mortgage, or loan? So pledge, hypothecation, and loan, all the three are movable securities. Only mortgage is an immovable security. Okay, do remember that also. The right answer will be hypothecation. Very good, because in hypothecation neither the possession nor the ownership will transfer to the lender. It remains with the borrower. But in pledge, the possession went to the bank and the ownership remains with the customer. In case of mortgage, usually, or we can say maximum number of times, the possession remains with the borrower, but sometimes it can go to the lender also. And in case of lion, the possession remains with the. Okay, so right answer will be your B option, hypothecation. Next. A dash is a type of transferable financial instrument which is traded at a local stock exchange if of a country, but represents a security that is usually in the form of equity which issued by a foreign public listed company. So which particular instrument we are talking about here? The type of instrument, that is transferable financial instrument. It can be traded at local stock exchange of a country but represents a security of by a foreign listed company. So which of the following is correct? A, B, C, or D? Yeah, if you have taken car loan is an example of hypothecation. Car loan is an example of hypothecation. For example, like if you talk about the pledge example, it can be gold loan. Gold loan is a pledge example. Car loan is a hypothecation example. Apart from that, if we talk about the mortgage, home loan will be the example of mortgage. Lion, the goods and securities will be the example of the lion. So third answer will be C, global deposit receipt. Okay. C and B, two options are coming. Okay, so those who are saying B is correct, they are right because it is deposit receipt. I'm not talking about, the question is not talking about that the security is issued at the global market. It's simply saying that it is a document, it is a particular instrument that is a transferable financial instrument and it is traded at a local stock exchange of a country, but it represents the security of a foreign publicly listed company. So that's a depository receipt, not a particular global deposit receipt. Right answer will be your deposit receipt. Right answer will be B. Okay, next. RBI undertakes government business. Which among the following statement is not correct in this connection? The question is asking that RBI undertakes government business. Which among the following statement is not correct in this context? The first is saying RBI cannot refuse to transact banking business of central government. RBI undertakes banking business of state government as a result of agreement with respective state government. RBI provides ways and means advances to central government only and not to the state government, all of the above. So you have to tell which of the following is not a correct statement. Always remember, when you are reading the question, do make sure you are reading it very carefully. Is it asking about the true or false statement? Is it asking about a correct or incorrect statement? Okay, do focus on these. That is very important. Fourth is B, okay, and C. B and C, two options are coming. The right answer will be your RBI undertake banking business of state government as a result of agreement with respective state government. That is true. But RBI provides ways and means advances only to the central government, not to the state government. That's wrong. RBI provides ways and means advances to both central and state government. This is a loan for short-term period. This is a loan for short-term period which is provided by RBI to both central and state government. So the incorrect statement will be your third option. And under the ways and means advances, what rate of interest will be charged? The rate of interest will be charged, that will be a repo rate. And right now the repo rate is going on 5.9%. Okay, so right answer will be your C. Yes, ways and means advances statement is incorrect. Next. Forfeiting enables the exporter to avoid the following risk. So forfeiting is a type of source of finance. It's an alternate source of finance. What does alternate source of finance means? It means simply apart from the traditional banking finance services, you have an alternate way to raise funds or to fulfill the need of the funds. That is known as alternate source of finance. The question is asking that forfeiting enables the exporter to avoid the which of the following risks. First is interest rate risk, second is currency risk, third is credit risk and political risk. Which of the following will be correct? Fifth is your D. Okay, Kritik is saying D. What about rest? Anand is also saying D. Lakshani is saying D. Maximum are going with the D option. Kumar is said B. Mamta is saying A. Okay. Right answer will be your D. All the risk can be avoided by using the forfeiting. So forfeiting is a service which is provided by the bank to the uh, parties, buyer and sellers, we can say, between them whenever they are trading their goods and services, right? So for that purpose, we are dealing here. So to complete an agreement between these two parties, the bank became the forfeiter. Okay, bank becomes the forfeiter. There will be exporter and importer, and between them, the bank will work as a mediator. Bank will become bank or financial institution can become the forfeiter here, and they cover all the three types of risk, that is credit risk, interest rate risk, currency risk, and your political risk. Okay, next. A statement system in which the processing and final payment of funds transfer instructions take place continuously is called. So a statement system in which processing and final payment of funds transfer instructions take place continuously is called debit clearing system, credit clearing system, national clearing system, real-time gross settlement. Which of the following is correct? A, B, C, or D? So a kind of settlement system in which processing and final payment of funds transfer instructions takes place continuously. Next will be C and D. Two options are coming. C is national clearing system. D is real-time gross settlement. Okay. What about rest? The right answer for the sixth question will be your D. Maximum going with the D, and that is correct. Real-time gross settlement. RTGS is the right answer for the settlement system in which processing and final payment of fund transfer instructions take place continuously. Okay. Next. Which among the following defines a non-performing asset? Which among the following defines a non-performing asset? Is it in a loan account the principal due has not been paid for more than 90 days? In a loan account the interest due has not been paid for more than 90 days. And third, assets that have been commented upon the bank auditor. And fourth one is both A and B. Which of the following is correct? In case of NPA. So the statement which defines NPA. So one is, what is NPA? NPA is simply a kind of credit facility provided by a bank to the customers on which after a certain period of time, the principal and interest has not been started paid by the customer. That is known as NPA. So NPA is a credit facility provided by bank to the customers on which the principal and interest is past due for a particular period of time. Very good. And that particular period of time is 90 days in case of loan account. In case of your if we are talking about interest due or principal due for more than 90 days, that will be known as NPA. But if we talk about agriculture sector, then it will be two harvest season. In agriculture, two harvest season will be there. If there is a short term crop, then two harvest season will be there. If there is a long term crop, so one harvest season there will be covered, and the maximum duration year wise will be 1 year. Do remember that also. Another, principal and interest not paid more than 90 days, that will be covered here. Now, which of the following does not match in context of the formation of banks? So that's related to the history of banks. So the question is asking which of the following does not match in the context of formation of bank. First is saying State Bank of India constituted under SBI Act 1955. Second is saying Nationalized Bank constituted under Nationalization Act 1970-1980. Third is saying RRB constituted under RRB Act 1976. Fourth is saying State Bank Associate Banks are constituted under the State Bank Subsidiary Bank Act 1959. So which of the following is incorrect? Eighth is B. Okay. So Anand is saying eighth will be B. What about rest? Okay. So the right answer is correct. Very good. Right answer will be because nationalization happened in the year 1969, first nationalization, and second nationalization happened in the year 1980. In first nationalization 1969, 14 banks were nationalized, and in second nationalization 1980, 6 banks were nationalized. So the right answer will be your B. Correct. Very good. Next. RBI undertakes government business as per Reserve Bank of India Act. Which of the following is not correct regarding this? So we know RBI acts as a banker to the government of India. RBI works as an agent of a government of India. So which of the following statement is not correct regarding the work of RBI for the government of India? First is saying under section 20 it has obligation to undertake business of central government. Second is saying in case of a state government, RBI undertakes banking business based on the agreement with the state government under section 21A. Third is saying RBI provides temporary advance to government which are called liquidity adjustment facility. And fourth is saying none of the above. So which of the following is correct? It is 1969 first nationalization and 1980 second nationalization. In first nationalization there were 14 banks, in second nationalization there were 6 banks. And right now we have only 11 nationalized bank. All the other nationalized bank has been merged. Okay. So right answer for the ninth question will be C. Maximum are going with the C option, and that is correct. So C option is correct. That is RBI provides temporary advance to government, which are called liquidity adjustment facility. This is incorrect statement because in liquidity adjustment facility, RBI uses the repo rate and reverse repo rate to perform the transaction. Not RBI uses this liquidity adjustment facility to give the advances to the government. Okay, right answer will be C. Next. Which of the following statement is correct regards to credit card? So which of the following statement is correct regard to credit card? First is saying credit cards are put in an imprinter machine and the information on card is recorded on an invoice or other document known as charge slip. Second is saying the name and symbol of card issuing bank are server printed on the card. Third, the credit card bears a specimen of the card holder's signature and in some cases even his photograph. So which of the following is a correct statement regarding your credit card? So which of the following will be correct? So when it comes to the credit card, debit card, we have to cover the certain guidelines of RBI also. Okay, what guidelines RBI has given about the credit card, that is also important. So which of the following will be correct here? 10th is D. Okay, okay. Maximum are going with the D option, and that is true. D option is correct, that all the above statements are correct about the credit card. Correct. Very good. Now let me know, out of 10 questions, how many answers you have given correct. Out of 10, how many answers you have given correct. Now those candidates who joined us a little bit late, I will tell you that right now payday sale is going on. In the payday sale, you will get 81% discount on all the JIIB, CAIIB products and also the bank promotion exam. Apart from that, your revision batch is already started, but in bilingual batch, the revision batch is started. If you want to enroll, you can enroll in the revision batch. MCQ batch is already going on. MCQ batch, previous year question batch, and your case study batch is already going on. Apart from that, your new batch of case study is going to start from 31st of October. So to enroll in any of these batches, you can use the code Y496, and by using the code Y496, you will get 81% discount. And to get the double validity 81% discount, you can enroll in the JIIB CIB ka Mahapack. It will cover new as well as old syllabus, so it is going to help you in the CIB preparation for the next year also. Okay, so to enroll, you can use the code the Y496. And last, this is how you can enroll in the particular batch. Click on the particular batch, click on buy now. You will find this window. You have to apply coupon code here, and then this price will be shown to you with 80% discount. So to get 1% additional discount, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application. Okay, so you can say 24 months validity is available for JIIB, CIB both. TE books, test series, live classes, recorded batches, everything will be available only for 9,500 rupees. So to enroll, this is how you can enroll, and the score is 97889566785. Okay. So do make sure every time we are practicing the questions, out of 10, you should get 7, 8 or 9, not less than that. Okay. So let's end here. We will meet tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Monday. We will meet at the same time at the 6 p.m. on the offices at 24/7. So thank you for joining the session. If you like the session, do not forget to press the like button before going, and also do share the session on Telegram channels and WhatsApp groups so that all the other people are also able to join us. And last but not the least, if you have not subscribed the offices at 24/7 channel yet, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, so let's end here. See you all.